Solisoft offers a unique MES solution to optimize the raw material acceptance process, the program module IntRaw. IntRaw integrates all systems, serving the acceptance process into one common information field. When the raw milk arrives to the plant, delivery quantitative data are transferred directly from the ERP system into the IntRaw module. The module IntRaw also receives the information of the actual amount of pumped raw milk from PCS. The system compares this data with the data declared by the supplier. Integration with a laboratory system or a digital analyzer, such as MilkoScan, allows to transfer automatically all laboratory data of the milk quality into the IntRaw module. The data can also be entered manually. IntRaw compares actual milk quality data with data from the system's reference books. The indication on the screen will immediately show discrepancies. Depending on the result, the batch will be accepted or denied. IntRaw automatically determines the grade of the received milk using the built-in Milk Grade Guide. IntRaw can exchange data with a variety of external systems, the state information system Mercury for automatic redemption of veterinary certificates, as well as with scanners and printing systems to identify or link an inspection lot to a particular batch or section for further traceability and production. After verification and validation of the values, the batch goes into processing. IntRaw MES module simultaneously solves several important tasks. By automating the workflow of the raw material acceptance process, it eliminates the need for paper journals and Excel spreadsheets, performs the quantitative accounting of incoming batches of raw materials, automatically monitors the quality of raw milk batches at the reception, blocks low-quality batches, automatically determines the type of milk,
performs the information exchange with ERP systems, 1C and SAP.
Thus, IntRaw module ensures consistently high quality of raw materials coming into processing, reduces risks associated with the influence of human factor, provides the traceability of materials and processes, helps to reduce losses and increase profits. Learn more about IntRaw and other MES solutions from Solisoft.